for within a bed and in penny for more to pay. The best not himself.
Every year is only or her. Come on, penny and another dank for I am sacred for our finance ministry. Penny, no some year, you are kind of Riata. But in a Juma, Abel, every year, our ministry. A new minister will take you over, Dr. Amin Anta. Now, I will say, Obeji, you are a semishra, or the Nobetre. The Nobaya, or the Nedoma on your year, Juma, chief director, and then technical staff in our ministry. I must be a deputy. Tinede Obaya, Obechia, Yura. I was training in semishra, so. So we are doing the action inside the next 10 months. I am a bit of super gusso. Magana mine and Yamushra. That remaining Tineba.
First of all, I want to thank my grandfather for accepting us into the palace. This was short notice, but like father and son, the door is always open. And so I'm not surprised that you gave us the opportunity to come in to see you at such a short notice. I bring you greetings from His Excellency the President, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And also, when I mentioned to our flag bearer, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I was coming to see you, he also asked me to bring his greetings and best wishes to you. 2 days ago, I went to see the Yana, and he asked me whether I've been to see you. So I told him I was coming to see you in 2 days' time. So he asked me to also greet you and to assure you that he will continue to work with you and to cooperate with you to bring development to Durban and to Ghana as a whole. As a Dagomba grandson of yours, we appreciate all the work you have done for us and bringing about peace, which has paved way for accelerated development in Durban. But we also know your contribution towards national development in general through your education fund and other numerous initiatives that have attracted investment to our country. We appreciate that so much, and we want to thank you for all these services to our country and to our people. My grandfather, soon after I was appointed to take over from my boss, the Honorable Ken Oforiatta, I knew that this palace was going to be a constant place of visit for me because of the wisdom God has endowed you with, which you have always used to support leader after leader to steer the affairs of our country. Many people do not know, but I've come to you several times. The last time I came to you was just last month, and I'm here again to seek your blessings and your wise counsel. You are at the palace, but you know everything going around Ghana. You hear, you read about it, and so anytime there is need to call me to come for guidance, I know that you will not hesitate to call me. I will come on my own to seek your counsel. And as you have always been readily available to give me your counsel, I know that you will continue to give me the advice. This office is a very challenging office, especially at this time. It's only wise counsel from you that will guide me through this job successfully. Ashanti region is a very important region in our country. Natural resource endowment in this region, which through its contribution to revenue, to economic growth, have brought our country this far. We cannot forget that. And this is why it's important to reciprocate by ensuring that the development the people of Ashanti so much desire is brought to the doorsteps of the people. So many projects are ongoing across the region, particularly for roads. The Ministry of Finance has been making a lot of payments to contractors. And I want to assure you, we will continue to pay, we will even accelerate it, so that the many road contractors working around the region are able to speed up with the work to bring relief to the people. His Excellency the President has asked me to bring all his assurances to you about his commitment to complete key projects that government has embarked on. Opemsuo Hospital, the Kumasi International Airport, the Gadgetia Market. He's giving us a directive to bring attention to bear on these key projects. And therefore, we are making all the efforts to find the money to do and complete these projects. We have faced some difficulties, as a result of which we had to go to the IMF, as a result of which we had to declare a debt suspension. And that has led to the stalling of so many projects, including these 3 key projects I've mentioned. But in spite of this, His Excellency the President has directed that the Ministry of Finance finds money to ensure that these projects are done and completed. So we are going to bring urgency and speed to these projects so that we can get them completed. I know that very soon His Excellency the President will make a huge pronouncement towards these projects. And we at the Ministry of Finance will implement the President's orders and directives to ensure that these projects are completed for the benefit of the people. When I leave here, I will go to the airport of Opemsuo to see the state of affairs of the works, so that they will guide me on how we can ensure that we carry out His Excellency the President's directives to the letter. My grandfather, this is the reason I'm here, to seek your blessings as I start work at the Ministry of Finance, and to assure you that, as I have done always, I'll always be before you for your wise counsel and for your guidance. So I thank you once again. God bless you.
John. 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 John.
Say I'm a penny dream who said you pay now, won't a sample.
John.
There would be a woman who would just say, the archer which we are young.
John.
The Ghana for you now, so ye Pisca, ye per 1 year.
John.
Dear, do I try no years? The Ghana should be in an afternoon.
John.
My penny, the walker or can be a can when I was on Copisica.
John.
The guns you need a professor. Is it what you know who say he funny, a bit in there.
John.
Good because I'm financial engineering. Also, engineering, then when you finance, once we get to the account. Now, there be engineer for co finance when we are there.
John.
Financial engineering, no the petrol engineer, no better than financial engineer account.
John.
Now, what you require, what the first one be. Now, Fina could see, I feel also. Now, Ghana for who said, was one in the amount so ever.
John.
Did not a vampire. Meaning,
John.
Baha, Opa, maybe I have a soup.
John.
In the finance,
John.
make the bomba, some woman about bring a bunny of a
John.
I can't just say, so baby, I'm one of million.
John.
Energy, deputy, Nana, Kusana, Pussy, they were saying.
John.
Timana said, the Americans the president who I was one of
John.
Let us go, did you so which
John.
and bedi Ghana from them.
Joe.
The first some who come, Crata and free from one about.
Joe.
See a woman young.
Joe.
We should come on side the Crata number.
Joe.
Even say a member.
Joe.
My deputy, my credit for them, my baby to me and find my ember.
Joe.
I come one night. Said they can name Brazil and Susan.
Joe.
And the word we went in our business.
Joe.
The same your phone is hard to find.
Joe.
This shall not mean a memoir.
Joe.
Ghana for in who said, naming who said, I'm sure near you, Kakra, and if I swam and I hear.
Joe.
One yen and then go a chance of Ghana.
Joe.
You're being in the next time, the Boama Ghana.
Joe.
Who's a Kakra, a catcher, and I mean,
Joe.